AirPods Pro 3 volume control issues often result from software glitches, hardware wear, or incorrect settings. The main volume adjustment method is swiping up or down on the stem. Ensure your AirPods firmware is updated to version 7B or later, released July 2025. These updates enhance capacitive sensor responsiveness. Clean the stems with a soft, dry cloth to remove debris that can block touch sensors. Try a full swipe of 1 to 2 centimeters on the stem for volume adjustment. If problems continue, reset AirPods through Bluetooth settings or restore via Finder, iTunes. Hardware wear on the stem may require warranty replacement if under 1 year old. AirPods Pro 3 incorporate volume limits to protect hearing, but these can sometimes cause unexpected volume behavior. Check your iOS settings, version 18.3 or later, under Accessibility Hearing Devices to ensure volume limits are appropriately configured. If auto limits are enabled, disable them temporarily to see if this resolves the issue. Software conflicts can also cause volume problems. Restarting your paired device can often fix this. Test your AirPods with another device to isolate hardware versus software faults. As a last resort, contact Apple support or visit a certified repair service for diagnostics, especially if the issue involves hardware damage to the stem.